Hey everybody, welcome back to Jake Plays, or not Jake Plays, wow, damn. Welcome back to Jake Builds. What's good? Anyway, God, we've already fucked up the intro. First Jake Builds of 2025 as well. What a way to start. Anyway, yeah, like I said, first Jake Builds of 2025, and we're starting with the Lightning Buster Gundam, which was actually supposed to come out last month in December. Never got around to building it until now. So this is sort of the brother to the Duel Buster Gundam, which is pretty cool. Also, I've always loved, or Duel Blitz Gundam. There you go. Duel Blitz Gundam. And yeah, it looks pretty cool. We got some action bits right here. You can put the things over the shoulders, the cannons, which I really like. Just a lot of really cool stuff. And over here on the back side, the same thing you've seen 100 times with the Seed Freedom kits. Yeah. You know, not a huge deal breaker. It's just they don't give you a lot of information. Moving on over, our instruction manual, kind of plain looking, not like we haven't seen it 100 times before. I actually did wind up watching a review for this recently, and yeah, the cannons up on top don't really connect to anything. So one of the things I thought about doing was, if I had the romantic inclination, the parts over the shoulders and stuff like that, thinking about, you know, putting, like, drilling into it with my new hand drill that I got for Christmas, and putting some magnets, so they just, like, magnetically attach to the shoulders. But that's just me. I think I'm definitely going to see how that goes together before I do something like that, but hey, that's here nor there. I'm not going completely into the instruction manual because I'm trying to save on time. Moving on over to the runners. This has some very basic colors, and I almost call them the Hispanic flag colors. We've got runner A right here, molded in gray, which is a first. No certain multicolored runner. Then we have B1, B2, same gray as A. Just this has some of the cannon parts and the leg parts. Pretty cool there. We've got C1, C2, which is more of a cream color white. Yeah, this just cream color white. It's well, this thing's the bulk made out of. And then, of course, we have D, which is mostly the dark green colors, which I really love this dark green. That's just me. Sorry, I'm thinking about a couple of other things. And then we have E1, which is this nice orangish red color. That's actually pretty cool looking. Then, of course, we have one final one. This is E2. This is for up on the shoulders, where you see those really green cameras and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. Finally, onto the stickers, and there hardly is any. You got your eye stickers, some of your camera stickers, and, of course, these two orange stickers, which, guess what? Go up on the face. Yeah. They literally are color correcting stickers for the face. Fun times. But anyway, with that being said, let's get building. So yeah, this is the Lightning Buster Gundam. Well, with it being finished, I can definitely say that if you're going to buy this kit, make sure that you have sanding. If you watched during the build, you saw that I tried to sand a little bit and then, of course, gave up because, well, I didn't exactly want this whole entire episode to take super long. But anyway, I like it. Dark plastic, nubs up quite a bit, but other than that, really don't have any complaints. Actually, I'll reframe that. So, with these cannons on the back, if you saw that I put them over the shoulder, it doesn't clip into anything right here. So, basically, they're just literally sitting on top of the shoulders with nothing to clip onto. Right? So, it does make it a little like, I don't know. And of course, you can put them underneath the arms as well, which I can go ahead and show here. So, that, and this real quick. Go. Doesn't really have anything to hold on to underneath the waist, but of course, that's not the only waist-mounted weaponry he has. Hold on. Show some more. Which I will probably put him in this pose when I put him on my shelf. Take that out. Make sure my mic's on. Then take it, put your hand over the top of it. There we go. You got those little guns right there on the side, and of course the giant cannons on top. Articulation-wise, it's about as standard as you can get for most Gunpla. The shoulders are pretty articulate. Like I said, it's very typical for Gundam posability. So, I recommend it. If you like the Duel, and if you like the Buster Gundam, you're gonna like this. And, yeah, definitely, it doesn't come with a whole lot. It's a lot of, you know, built-on weaponry, such as the cannons and the side guns, or side beam guns, but that's really about it. And then the cannons are pretty neat, just wish there was something they attached to up here besides just laying on the shoulders. With that being said, though, I have been Jake, it's not okay. I appreciate all of you watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye-bye now. Hey everybody, you made it to the end of the video. I appreciate all of you for watching, and if you like what you see, hit the like button, and if you want to see more of it, hit the subscribe button, and if you want to get notified whenever a new video goes live, hit the bell notification. And I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye now.